desktop audio down a bit. Here we go. Okay. That was a bad voice crack. Did you hear that?
Yeah, it could be worse.
Okay.
Hold on,
Oh.
let me fix it.
So today we are going to be doing a challenge. We are going to be building
Boats.
amphibious boats that have flamethrowers, and we're gonna fight at the end in the vortex. If you guys
Oh,
don't know
wait.
what the vortex, are we gonna fight in the vortex?
Yes, we're going to fight in the vortex.
Okay,
Wait, do you want to do high seas vortex or this one?
this one.
Let's do this one. We're already in this map.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you go over there or somewhere where you can't see my build because, like, you know,
Okay.
and also build another one because it's kind of,
But where? Where should I build?
I don't know
I'm gonna
where you
build
want to
down
build.
at the spawn.
Alright, I am ready. I am ready. Okay, I saved mine. I'm gonna delete it, and then you're gonna delete yours also, and then we're gonna go to... What point do you want to teleport to? Do you want to teleport to... Overtrunk?
Over trunk.
I'll go to Overtrunk.
Okay. I'm at over trunk. Wait.
My game could crash during the fight, by the way.
Yeah. That's fair. By the way, it's a bow battle.
Yeah, I know.
So why are we spawning on land?
Because we're gonna go down here and put it in the water. You go first, or do you?
I feel like you should go first.
Okay. This is my abomination I've created.
Honestly, that's not as bad as some people would do.
Flamethrower. It has, how many power cores? It has 8 power cores.
Bonk.
Ah.
Sorry, I did not mean to do that.
Okay, well, there's not much more to, like, tell you about this thing, so I guess you go next.
Alright, well, this is mine.
Oh. That's pretty bare minimum.
Yeah, I did bare minimum. Of course, Pinto.
Okay, well, let's go to,
Like it's been fast.
yeah, let's go over to the vortex.
How do we do this though? Should we attack him first?
No, we shouldn't attack him. I think because it's gonna be harder for us if we don't attack him. Do you know what I mean? And
Yeah.
just fight each other.
Alright.
I'm gonna start on the opposite side, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna go over here too.
Just get to your position. I'll stay where I'm at because.
Alright.
Just because.
3, 2. Wait, should we go inside the vortex, or should we stay out?
Both.
3, 2, battle. The stupid, dumbest music on this. That would be one of just have the dumbest music.
I'm just gonna put freaking Pirates of the Caribbean over it or something. Never mind, actually that'd be copyright. Never mind, I forgot.
Yeah, you will. All the song ideas I have are copyright. Alright.
We can't even reach each other.
I don't know who's gonna survive this. I think you're gonna win, honestly.
I don't think I will, honestly.
Knowing how the damage system works, I think.
No.
You see what I mean?
You hit me a lot.
I lost so many buoyancy blocks.
No, you took off my freaking flamethrower.
Yes.
Is that a win on your run? Or do I just run?
Just run.
Stop it. Guess what?
Oh.
I'm gonna bring you in the dangerous place.
Okay. Actually, what if I just leave you there?
Oh wait, no,
just, like,
no,
die.
don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Oh no, I'm getting sucked in. Don't do that. No, no. Free
Long
me.
live the king.
Wait, am I fine?
I
Wait.
can't wait. Aww.
Okay, now I'm good. Now I'm good. Okay, I'm not going any deeper. Wait, no. Oh. No, I'm going up now. Oh, just come on. Okay. You fall down. Go down. No, don't attack me. Go down. Fall. Okay, you're coming back up. Great. Oh wait, I'm fighting the vortex. What am I doing?
Yeah.
But then that's gonna go towards you. So now, okay. Guess what? Get rammed. Oh. Oh, I think I lost all my buoyancy in the front. Well.
I think you also might have lost.
Yeah, I think I lost.
I
Guess
think
what?
you might have also
I still
lost
have
the
I still have seat control. Okay, never mind. No, I
I honestly can't believe I won that. Okay, we have 2 more rounds.
don't. Okay. Are we gonna make anything better, or are we just gonna fight again?
Just fight again, honestly.
Okay.
You can see
By the way,
this is
was there any power core limits? I didn't hear anything about that.
no, I have 11. How many of you have?
I have 8.
Hmm. We should do this again, but with a different gun.
Okay. Round 2. Fight.
Fight. Wait, what if that was not?
I don't think it was. I mean, how would that be copyright? That is a freaking phrase.
There's a lot of things that can be copyrighted.
Under the sea. Under the sea. Hit me pretty good.
Did I now? Did I?
I think so.
Ooh, torpedoes next. Let's do torpedoes after. Am I be a little bit?
What?
Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Oh, you win. You win. There's not much I can do about it.
Oh, you can't? Oh. Well, I guess what you better do it.
Oh, if we get found my seat. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
You won.
Yeah! I win the second round.
Alright.
What's the deal? I love how I'm just going underwater on accident. It's kind of a good thing
Also,
on
what
my
seat
end,
do you
actually.
have?
What?
What seat do you have?
Oh, I have submarine. Why?
Oh. I have armored.
Oh, that's why it's harder to kill you. Got it. Okay, round 3. Think about it.
Hold on.
What?
I'm kind of stuck in vortex. Let me get my good tank.
I wish you
I
luck
made
in
it
that
out.
vortex.
What?
I wish you luck in the vortex.
I got out.
No, you didn't.
Okay, ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. Cheese.
Okay.
I don't know why I did. Anyway.
That's pretty random just to say cheese, but I won't.
Cheese.
Cheese is just pretty random to say.
I think cheese is kind of random, yeah.
I'm gonna attack
All right,
you.
should we do torpedoes next, or should we do
I forgot what keybind it was.
Okay, okay. I can do this. I can win this. I can somewhat win this.
Are you bringing me the vortex?
Yes.
Well, long live the king then.
Are you sure about
What if I just don't go down?
that? That's fair. That's a fair point.
Well, what if I do
What
go
if I
down?
never come back up?
What if I do? What would you do if I do go down?
Nothing.
Okay.
Survive. Man, this drill is scary. I don't want to touch the drill. I'm so stupid. Scared.
You.
I think you won the flamethrower one. I'm not gonna be able to get out of here.
I don't think I can do that either, actually. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna finish off this. You.
I'm still standing.
Are you sure?
I'm
Well, guess what? I'm still standing.
Yeah.
Oh no,
I can't believe I'm mad.
I'm going towards the drill. Oh. Oh no, I just burned myself.
Good.
So if I burnt in real life, your only response would be good.
No, not in real life.
I'm kidding. No!
No! Yes! Yes! No! Yes! Yes! No! 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 Go! You go in there. You go. You no! No! You get in there. You get no. No! I'm not gonna burn. No. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm still. You know what? For the views, and for the people watching, I gotta add to it.
Ooh. I don't know what maneuvers I'm doing.
No, I'm not gonna be able to. I'm not gonna be able to. Oh wait.
Hi.
It's not working at all.
Are you trying to Beyblade me?
I'll just put it.
Okay, yeah, I win. I win the
Okay.
flamethrower.
Alright. You win flamethrower. But
So-
can you win tank cannon?
I don't know about tank cannon. Hold on, I'm gonna get out of the water first. I'm gonna teleport.
Oh
no,
my
not
god.
to you. Sorry, I teleported you on accident. Well, all I have to do is put on a small tank cannon, right?
No, not small tank cannon.
Regular tank cannon?
Yes. You don't have to wait that long.
I continue to wait.
3, 2, 1. That totally makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's a good. Oh, that was close. That was really close.
Was that one actually?
That was a hit.
Did I hit you? I can't
Ooh.
believe I hit that.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
Yes, yes it does.
I mean, it should. It's a tank cannon. Ow! Ah, stop it. Get away. Stop it.
I might
Oh,
win this
bro.
one. I might
No.
win this one.
I can't. I am a sitting duck. I don't even have a weapon.
Oh wait, it fell off.
Yeah. Yeah, you won.
Bonk.
You
Oh, I
missed.
missed. Bonk.
Well, guess what?
Bonk. No.
I'm kidding. Yeah, you win that.
Bonk. Okay. Let's see.
2 more rounds, I guess.
Yeah, 2 more rounds of this. I think I'm gonna win this one.
Okay, so
honestly.
if you win this one, we do like something else next, and then whoever wins the 3rd round wins the entire challenge.
I think we should do.
If you win this one, at least.
I think the next one should be the air to surface torpedo. Not yet. Okay, actually, yeah, let's start.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ooh, that's a good hit.
What did I hit?
Something. Oh shoot.
Cannon?
Yes, cannon. You won this round too.
Oh my god.
Ah, yes. Oh my gourd. Yeah, I think you're gonna win this one.
I mean, I've already won 2 rounds.
Yeah. Good
I
shot.
had no chance of you winning.
I'm surprised I hit that shot though from over there. That's shooting at me. Stop it. Ow.
I actually hit you. Wow, I'm honestly surprised. I'm kind of blind firing right now.
So am I.
Ooh! That was close. Probably shouldn't say if a hit was closer. Just be silent. Ooh! Ooh, that was bad. Oh no, you win.
Okay, well,
Well done.
this is the thing.
I got 2 rounds.
You
on
got
this
2
one.
rounds. So we do one more for the tiebreaker?
Wait, you got
That's
1
what you
round,
said.
I got 2 rounds, right?
Yeah, actually, no. I think you just won, actually.
Yeah, I won. Let's do the air surface torpedo. Actually, let me test if the air to surface torpedo actually,
Hopefully.
like, if we can even
Use it.
Oh, we're gonna have to find a different way to attach. Well, I'm gonna have to find attach it.
I don't know about me. Let me see.
I'm gonna move it up height.
You don't care if I go over the block limit just to attach this, right?
Yeah, I don't care about that. I think it's funny. I'm still not gonna go over the block limit. I have 5 more blocks to use. Oh, that's gonna be. Oh wait, this is gonna be difficult.
Oh, okay.
Let me
Yeah,
change the line for this.
yeah, mine works. We're good with mine at least.
It almost hit me. That was
Sorry.
close.
We'll get shot at. I send a whole
How
horde
do I
at you.
only
Stop sending hordes at me too. Stab it. It's not nice. I don't like it. I think our torpedoes hit each other actually right there. Oh, that one too.
Yeah. Either we're both leading really well or not. Okay, so they definitely do hit each other. No. Ooh, please get that! Yes! Okay. I'm mostly just defending right now.
The same with me. I'm doing both, honestly.
Ooh.
Ooh, that hit me. Wait, that. Oh no.
Oh, you got me a little bit.
You immobilized me actually.
Immobilized?
Yes.
Ooh. Ooh. So you're just floating in the water, huh?
Yeah. Stop with that. I saw that.
Oh, what?
Not convenient.
It's not convenient.
Well, it shouldn't be convenient. You're firing freaking torpedoes at me.
Yeah. But I have a feeling that it's not very convenient for you.
No, I thought it was good.
I wonder if I can shoot under this.
Oh, you got me. That's, yeah, you won.
Okay, 1 out of 3. Okay. Torpedoes are really cool to use.
They are, actually. They make a boat that just spits torpedoes out rapidly.
Okay, maybe not rapid, because you can only launch 10 at a time.
Yeah, I know. Quite a bit of them. Oh, we're already starting? You didn't say.
Sorry. Did I hit you?
No.
I'll make sure that changes soon.
I'll make sure that changes.
I'll make that change. Wait, what do you mean? You're gonna hit yourself?
Wait, yeah, that makes sense. What am I saying?
Okay.
Frickin' old man.
No, it kind of turned into that baby, and the Ash baby meme.
Ooh, that. Oh, wait, yeah, you got me again. Crap.
Rip.
Yeah, that's the turret.
Sorry. How did that not kill me? No, 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 no. Haha. I survived.
You survived. Oh,
Okay,
aww.
I'm just gonna focus on blocking. And maybe that one random shot right.
I really did not make this boat well. Yeah, I am ready.
Okay, I'm also ready. I've
No,
been
I'm
ready.
more ready.
No, I'm more ready.
No, I'm more ready than you're ready.
No, I'm more ready. Why are we arguing?
I don't know.
That one of us is more ready than
I don't know.
what? Ow! I like these proximity weapons. We could also just launch depth charges at each other.
Yeah.
Why is there a bottleneck?
This is the bot knock.
Anyway.
Did I almost hit you?
Yes. Oh wait, that's another one. Woo! Heal that one. Oh, you
Oh, I
killed
just
him!
killed a bot knack.
Oh god, that's a bad botneck to have to deal with.
I mean, our
Can we
things
pause
are
this
close to
for a
each
second?
other.
Can we pause this? Pause this.
Oh,
Yeah!
dude,
It
you
duck
won.
sound was perfect.
Don't know what that duck sound I just made was. Okay, you don't need to lodge anymore, but you won.
Nah.
This is my friend. And he has a channel that I will put on the screen right now. And please just go check him out because he's really cool. But anyway,
You
bye.
just killed this dude.
You just
You know
freaking
what?
dying
Fine.
from
I'm just
something.
gonna blow him up with my tank.
Oh, okay, well.